I'm going to say welcome back, but you never left. The thing is, I hyped this video up, started recording out of the box here because it's it's an unboxing video. And then when I was going to show you an up close of one of the pipes, I realized it wasn't recording. So let's start back up. This is the first pipe that I opened, that I unpacked. It has a stamp that it says Angelo, a flat bottom, and some very interesting wood grains. I don't know if you can see that, but I really like this. Very narrow at the top, and then it widens up to the lower area. I have no idea what shape this is. If you know, let me know. It must be crossed something, but I'm not quite sure. Has a big hole here for the filter, and very well restored. I bought these from a guy here in Denmark who restores pipes, and yeah, I saw one pipe and thought I wanted that, but then I saw the rest of his pipes and picked some more. But this is it's also very heavy. The bowl is very heavy, but it sits well in the mouth. And the mouthpiece, all the pipes I've had have been pretty beaten up. This is a very well restored mouthpiece. One of the best conditions I have, actually. So let's write this up. Actually, I have, because of the recording problem. But it is an Angelo. It has a stamp that says 1382, a bit off center here in the bottom of the tenon. Is it a tenon? Let me bring my list up. No. And it's off center on the lower side of the shank. And then the flat bottom there, it stands upright, but I can't lay it down like this. Nonetheless, it's a nice pipe. I put the 30 because it's the 30th video. There's 9 because of the condition is perfect. I mean, even the bowl, the chamber is really well cleaned out and covered with the carbon lining. Very, very happy about the condition. I've also put it at an 8 in preference because I like this pipe. The fact that I bought it is a proof, but it sits well in the hand. And then I put a 7 for popularity, which is what I expect others to feel about it. Maybe they won't like it as much as I do, but maybe because the name Angelo. I'm not quite sure what brand Angelo is. I'm sure that the person who restored this told me, but I have to go back and look. But yeah, that's the first pipe of the video, and that's why I put a -1 there. The next one is this one, which I was showing you previously and found out that the recording wasn't working. It has some very, it's basically painted. I can see the wood grains slightly, but there's a heavy layer of paint, heavy layer of varnish, and quite some spots. It's like indentations also up here, but it doesn't really matter, does it? It has a stamp that says Lord and number 63 there. But I really like the fact that they have left the rim of the chamber untreated. It's not untreated, it's heavily polished and rounded, but it looks very elegant. Let me show you here. That's very nice. And the saddleback. I've become a huge fan of saddlebacks. This is quite wide, actually. But I love this. This must be a bent billiard, right? Oh, it's a massive mouthpiece. Wow, massive. But yeah, nice pipe. Let's write this down. Lord. Is that a 53? It's a 53. So 30 dash. I'm going to put that at an. Yeah, condition is, I mean, besides the wear, it's perfectly restored, so I would put that at a 9 too. Do I like it? I'll put that at an 8 too, because I love the shape. It's a bit discreet in the grain, but at the top is very unique. Yeah, it's still an 8. I mean, very nice pipe for me. Will people like this? Tempted to say maybe 6. I don't think they will notice this as much as I did. I really like it. And then dash 2. Good. So this box has 4 pipes. Actually, I might bring in a 5th pipe just to make it consistent to the rest of the videos. Oh yeah, this is the one that caused me to buy these pipes. Very nice. Yep. This is up there for me. The red ribbon there. Very comfortable bowl. Quite well bent. Sits very well in the mouth. You know, sometimes you just have a feeling about pipes. This is an Absorba 210. I've never heard the name, but I like this a lot. What do you think? The graining is not very, not mind-blowing. Quite a dark stain, really. But I really like this. Very well restored too. This guy is awesome. Yep. I'm very happy with this. I'm actually very happy with the whole batch. Absorba. I have no idea what that is. Absorba 210. 30th video dash. You know what? This is a 9 for me. The wood grain is not quite where I wished it was, but the rest is fantastic. It has a little bit of flaws there, but nothing critical. All right. The condition is that it is a 9. Preference 9. I'll put it at an 8 for popularity, because it is quite unique. I mean, the stem, look at that, it has bulbs there. But it is a very nice pipe. And then dash 3. Let me know what you think about this or any of the other pipes. I'm very interested to hearing your opinions. This is the last pipe of the box, and then I'll bring one more pipe in just to make it 5 like the rest of the videos. But let's see what's in this. Right, so if I remember right, the flattened stem and the shank is a Canadian type, isn't it? There's a crown there. Oh, this is a nice pipe too. A bit of, nah, this is nice. Made in Denmark, number 50. Royal Danish. Number 50. Oh, it's quite massive. If you look at this at the side, it's very elegant, but it is fairly massive. Oh, this could become a favorite pipe actually. Not as much as the others, because the straights, I do like straight pipes, but this, very nice. Oh, the graining, the bird's eyes. I need to figure out how to show this to you guys because you're not getting the whole picture. The light gets in the way. Look at that chamber. He's very good at cleaning things up. The stamp there is not quite visible, but it does say Danish, Royal Danish. The mouthpiece is also very well restored. Yep. Yeah, the bird's eye here is fantastic. Then some straight grained, or I don't know what this is called. Very nice pipe. So Royal Danish. Number 50. 30 dash condition. It's not up there. It has, I mean, the stamp there is, besides the stamp actually is very good, so I would put that at a 9, really. 8 actually, yeah, I'm going to be a bit rough here. Do I like it? It's an 8 for me. I do like it, but I'm not blown away. Will people like, you know what, I think it might be an 8 for people too, at least here in Denmark. Dash 4 because it's the fourth video. It's actually a lot, the walls around the chamber are a lot thicker than I expected of a Danish pipe, really. And very flat topped. Maybe they have restored this a bit too rough. I would expect it to be a bit rounder at the top. But besides that, I quite like it. Now I will bring in one more pipe that I got from friends. Give me a second. Which is this one. I will put an F on this in the lot area because I got it from friends. I recently got a few pipes from friends through eBay, which I have mixed feelings about. But this one was a bit interesting. It's Jeantet Chambord. Jeantet Chambord. No numbers. A bit worn out, but the chamber is very well restored. But it has some chuffs and scratches. Very discreet. Very nice finish. A few holes here. And the mouthpiece is dirty. It has a stinger in it. That is pretty clean. And the mortise is clean too. So all in all, I'd say it's a decent pipe. Also the shape is fair. I keep getting impressed at how they do these shapes here, but it's a diagonal hole. You can also see a bit of a mark there from the drill. But it's very interesting. How does this sit in the mouth? Whoop. Not bad actually. Good. Let's write this up. So Jeantet, how do you spell that? Jeantet. And then I can't see this. Chambord. Chambord. Good. Our unique numbering system will be 30 because it's the 30th video. Dash condition. It's a 7, right? It doesn't need much work besides the cleaning there, and the rest I guess is what it is. Yeah, the rest are like marks that we would accept in a perfectly fine pipe. The chamber is very well cleaned, so it's only the mouthpiece that needs some, actually only some cleaning. Do I like it? It's not up there, is it? It's not up with the other one, so I'd put it in a 7. And will people like it? I doubt it. I'll put it at a 5 because it is a Jeantet, but that's about it. That's 5. So, that was it for today. Let's line them up. The Jeantet Chambord, the Absorba, which is one of my favorites. The Lord, actually, I feel something in the Lord, actually. Maybe this should stand up there. Yeah, that was the Angelo, and then the Royal Danish here. So guys, what do you think? That was one of the better lineups, isn't it? I'm actually very pleased with this. So yeah, I'm eager to hear your opinions. Let me know. You know what? We're getting to the end of the series because I've got a few bags left, and then I've got a batch being sent to me in a few days. So maybe next week we will be at the end of the series for now. But I mean, I will keep getting pipes, so you never know. But for now, we're ending this video and hope to see you soon in the next one. Bye-bye.